What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to review this Store Your Board Built Like a Tank garage tool organizer. In this review, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the organizer, as well as one thing I think you should know before buying. All right, so I got this for one simple reason, which I think many of us can relate to. Bam, right? Had all these tools all over the ground and everything, just kind of annoying to me. I thought, hey, we've got to get something to hang them up to save some space. Now, the organizer itself, they say it is built like a tank, and I don't disagree. It is really well welded with all these little joints here. It's basically got this black powder coating to make sure that it doesn't rust. What's really nice about it, though, what I really like, it comes in one piece. And basically, it took me about 15 minutes to install this, if that. What I did is, you can see each of these screws, there's 3 screws, right? And basically I did some pilot holes with a drill, and just did some pilot holes, screwed it on up, and it worked really, really well. And this is usually how I keep it, as you can see, obviously in use here. I get a little creative with the leaf blower, hanging that on there and everything, but yeah, it holds everything just as you need. This gives you an idea of how deep it is and how much it can actually hold. And as you can tell, this is really sturdy. I mean, this right here is pretty heavy in itself. And it holds this no problem, the shovel, everything that you see here without an issue. I don't think weight is going to be an issue. The thing to know about this, which is definitely a good thing, is that these holes that they have pre-drilled into it are 16 inches apart, which for the US is the standard distance in between the joists behind your walls. So it makes it really, really easy. What I did is I found the middle one, drilled that in, and after we got that in, it was really easy to drill the others as well. But yeah, if you're looking for something like this, definitely recommend it, like it a lot, and hope you do too.